Hi team, Uwe Jacobs, Property Friends, Property Strategist. Today's subject for a brief video, how to set up a high-yielding, high-growth property investment house and land package. Well, there's some essential steps that need to be taken. 1. Location. We are looking for a balance between growth and yield. We want to have our cake and eat it too. 2. Land that is in a great location, that is position advantaged. For that, you need to be early to the market. Once it hits the real estate agents, you are behind the 8 ball. So make sure that you get early pick of the development plans. Best talk to the developers themselves and take your pick early. 3, the builder. We are looking for builders that are reliable, that produce great results, because we want to have quality. And that is really important to us. So then you need to have some service providers, starting with the building inspector, the quantity surveyor, the rental manager, the insurance, and so on and so forth. As Property Friends, we set that all up. And then we get to the big one, the power of leverage. Guys, it ain't rocket science. You are stronger in a team. I find that the leverage of the team is a huge difference. 1, I don't mind admitting, it's a lot more fun to negotiate on a set of 5 to 10 house and land packages than on one. In a set of 5 to 10, I've got leverage. I can get conditions into the building contract. I can get early access to the land. I can take my pick off the blocks before the retail market gets there. I can pick the right location with the right orientation. That makes a difference. At the right price. That's always good. See, it's not unusual for us to have millions of dollars of land on hold. Yeah, and last not least, more leverage means more quality. Think about it yourself. If you had a group that does, let's say, 5 house and land packages with you per quarter, 20 properties per year, would you look after them especially well? Of course you would. It ain't rocket science. I like things that are basic, that work, that have proven and stood the test of time. Enjoy. Have a good one. Bye-bye.